guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be making a pumpkin pie, and what I'm doing over here is just mixing flour, salt, and sugar. I have added, I will actually link the recipe below just so I don't mess up how much I added. And now I have cubed some butter, and I am just adding it in and getting it all mixed up. So if it has reached its consistency, want it to be crumbly, I will slowly be adding ice water, but very slowly. I just switched the paddle and I added a dough paddle, and I'm gonna finish adding the water. So for apple pie, I'm going to roll out 2 doughs. Sprinkle it with cinnamon sugar like that, and make sure you get everywhere, not like overpack it. Oh, that's okay. We'll brush the other one. We forgot to do an egg wash first. We'll do that after. Alright, so now you have to roll it. Did you see how she rolled it?
Like me?
Huh?
You have to roll it tight, right?
Tighter, yeah. Cut this off and cut this off, ends, and then cut above. Dip it in. So I had greased the pan with butter. they must have gotten a lot more dough out of here. So here, we'll do this. You can shut the fridge. And now we're gonna...
Wait, what are we making?
Apple pie.
Apple pie.
Yeah.
We're making cinnamon buns. What is this?
This is not gonna look pretty for the... Okay, so I think this is done. Now I'm gonna repeat the same process for the top. For peeling eggs, I will be using this little handy tool. Not sure if it's gonna work very well, but we'll give it a try. It's from Pampered Chef. I don't think they sell it anymore. We have 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we are going to add that to the apples now. Sprinkle it all over the place and mix it up. So we're done mixing the apple, and now we're gonna add them to the pie crust, and we had brushed the pie crust with the egg wash. Okay, you wanna add it? You want me to do it? So now we're gonna brush the pie again with an egg wash and put it in the oven. Just gonna put a dent in there. That one. Start there. We're forming the pie crust for pumpkin pie. We're doing 2 of these. So over here I am going to start to make pie filling. So I will be doubling the batch. So the first ingredients is 2 tablespoons of So I'm making the double batch of pie filling, and I need 2 cups of brown sugar. Then 2 tablespoons of flour. Then I need half a teaspoon, or so a teaspoon of salt. Two teaspoons of cinnamon. So 2 teaspoons of ginger. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. For the other part of the pie filling, because I'm doubling, I need 6 eggs. So now we're putting about 30 ounces of pureed pumpkin. Yes, 650 ml of evaporated milk. And now we're gonna add the sugar, flour, cinnamon, and this other spices mixture and gently mix it. And that's it for the pie filling. Now we just have to wait for the doughs to cook. And then we're gonna put it in the dough and then place it back in the oven. So here are both pies. Here is the apple and 2 of these. So here's one of them. Cinnamon pumpkin pie.